What is up, guys? Dylan here, and in this one, I want to talk about DoorDash, but not just DoorDash. I want to talk about some things that I feel DoorDash could do better. Things that DoorDash does that kind of pisses me off. Things I wish that they would work on, right? All right, so the first one being the bags. Like, if you're a Dasher, you completely understand this. Our bags completely suck. Our insulated bags that they give us are trash. Like, the first time I seen the ones that the Grubhub drivers get, are you serious? They're so much nicer than ours. So much nicer. My bag, I had a milkshake bust in it one time. Threw it away. Didn't even try to clean it out. Just threw it in the trash. Said, nope, I'm completely done with it. It's not even the bags. I feel we should get drink carriers. Like, there's nothing worse than going through the drive-thru and them trying to just handing me drinks when they know I'm there to pick up DoorDash order. Like, I just told you I'm there to pick up DoorDash order, and you're going to hand me drinks without a drink carrier. Like, come on now. We're out of them. The fuck you are. Granted, though, they do have these items on their website that you can buy, but they're ridiculously expensive. Like, I'm not paying $20 or $30 for an insulated bag. Like, that, I feel like that's something you should provide for me. I've been seeing other videos of people wearing DoorDash t-shirts. Like, I'm not devoted to this enough to be wearing a t-shirt, especially if I have to pay for it. Like, if you send me a t-shirt, yeah, sure, I'll wear it. Another one being the pay transfers. $1.99 to transfer my money once a day. Okay. The thing with it, Postmates only charges you 50 cents and you can do it as many times a day as you want. I don't mind paying $1.99, but I wish I could do it more than once a day. Because sometimes I need to do it more than once a day. Sometimes I forget to put gas in my car the next day and I'm like, shit. Other thing with the pay transfers, when they send me the money at the end of the week, if I don't already take it out myself, it takes longer than 24 hours for it to get to my bank. But if I do the instant transfer myself, it's in there like that instantly. Boom. Another one being top dasher status. I think that if you bust your ass enough to get the top dasher status, that you should get more benefits than what they currently get. Because let's be honest, top dasher status really is not that much better. If you live in a busy area and it's always in the red, then you really have no need to be a top dasher. Like, my area, it's mostly gray throughout the day, so me being a top dasher makes it red all the time. So it's important to me, but it sucks because that means I have to accept a lot of $3 orders. And let's be real, nobody likes accepting $3 orders. I wish they would work on it, because if you decline like 3 orders back to back, your acceptance rate will go from an 83 down to like a 60, like that. I think if you become a top dasher, that $3 delivery shouldn't even show up. Like, you shouldn't even have to accept or decline those, that they are not even a pop-up. These are the things that I feel that DoorDash could improve on or do better. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys feel, or if you guys agree with any of it, or even if you disagree, let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. But not only that, subscribe to my channel for more. Right now I'm doing this DoorDashing thing, but I'm constantly uploading good content for you. If you're watching this and you order DoorDash and you don't tip, you're the worst. You are the worst.